A family bathroom should be more than just clean. It needs to be safe, practical, and comfortable for everyone in the home, from toddlers to grandparents. Here are 5 must-have fixtures that make a real difference in everyday life. 1. Mixer taps. These are easy to operate for kids and adults alike. They allow you to adjust water temperature smoothly, helping to prevent accidental burns or cold shocks, a must for young children and elderly family members. 2. Handheld shower heads. Flexible and versatile, handheld showers make bathing kids easier, speed up rinsing, and help with cleaning the bathroom. They're also handy for washing pets or assisting family members with limited mobility. 3. Dual flush toilets. They help save water by offering 2 flush options, a light flush for liquid waste and a full flush for solids. It's an eco-friendly choice that helps reduce your water bills and supports Singapore's water conservation efforts. 4. Soft close toilet seats. No more loud slams or worries about pinched fingers. Soft close seats add a layer of safety and comfort, especially in busy households with toddlers. And 5. Anti-slip flooring or mats. Bathrooms can get wet and slippery, increasing the risk of falls. Installing textured tiles or placing anti-slip mats helps protect everyone, especially young children and seniors. These simple upgrades make your bathroom a safer, more comfortable space, where every family member can feel at ease. After all, a family-friendly bathroom isn't just about convenience, it's about caring for your loved ones every day.